How to log in CVS Employee Online Account. Welcome to our channel and let's start with our tutorial. For this, go ahead and open up a preferred browser and you have to search for CVS Employee Login. You will find various of CVS website. I'll be selecting Enterprise Login Form. So right here, you will see you have to enter your username and your password. Then you have to tap on the login option. It also verifies you that if you are in the retail store, you have to enter your 7-digit employee or contractor ID number and password. If you work on the corporate retail, enter your computer or Windows ID and password. For healthcare business, enter your A or N ID and password. At the bottom, if you have issue logging in, you can reset your password. For that as well, it is separate for retail, corporate, and healthcare. Select the option that suits you the best. For an example, if I tap on Reset Password on Corporate, it will be redirected in a new tab where I have to enter either of my 7-digit ID, employee ID or contractor ID, ITNA A or N ID or vendor ID. Once I type in and verify that it is me, I'll be able to reset my password. Similarly, you can do this process for your retail or healthcare as well. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.